Hi guys, so my name's Claire and today I'm going to show you guys how to make Lego accessories made out of clay. So first step, you need to take one Lego doll. It doesn't have to be like this kind, it can be any shape or size. It can be like a blocky one or this kind, and you're going to need a color of clay, and then you're going to need scissors. It doesn't have to be, it can be any pair of scissors, and then, so these are the three items that you need. And you're going to take some of your clay, make sure it doesn't have any hair in it, and if it does, then you can do it. And then take some of your clay, and then break it apart for a ball, and then you're going to take some of it. Make sure your doll's standing out and down. And then you're going to roll it into like a line. And you can take that line and you're going to cut your clay. My Lego doll. You're going to cut the clay into that, in a part of your line. And then roll it again. And then you're going, this is actually a prank, so that you can prank people. And then you're going to take it, make sure it's actually really, really skinny. And then you're going to cut it. That. And then you're going to take this. And then roll it. Make sure it's actually rolling. And then if you want, you can make veins, but I don't because I'm making a new staff for Emma. This is Emma, by the way. Just say, that's my Lego doll. Now I'm making these strings for the hair because we just got started on the first part, and I might make other videos of how to make other Lego accessories. Make sure that they're like kind of the same or not the same height, but just do this. And please subscribe to our channel. If you do, please subscribe.
Turn it around so you can see.
And that's how you do it.
Turn it around again. Yeah.
So that you get an actual Lego doll style. And you just roll more clay until you get the style that you want. If you want, like, I can tell you my mom's style that she likes to do a lot. My mom's style, she likes to have her hair down, and then, like, you put a bun, half hair up, half hair down. That's what I like to do too, but in a different way. Sometimes I might do ponytail and then like feathers. So, if you make a mistake, just fold that mistake on the good part of the hair. Then you're gonna take that piece of hair. Dave, what are you doing? Dave, stop. Stop, Dave. Dave. That's not part of the video, Dave.
Okay.
Yeah. So this is how you make an actual Lego doll's hair.